In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Discord server. Joining a server is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily connect with communities and friends. Whether you're new to Discord or just looking for a bit of extra help, I've got you covered. First, you'll need to open Discord. If you haven't already downloaded the app, it's available on desktop and mobile platforms, but you can also use Discord through your web browser. Once you've got Discord open, log in using your credentials. If you're new to Discord and don't have an account yet, you can sign up with your email, and it only takes a couple of minutes to get everything set up. When you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where all your servers and direct messages are listed. Look for the small round button with a plus sign inside it. This is the Add a Server button. Clicking on it brings up a couple of options. You'll see options like Create My Own and Join a Server. Our focus today is on joining an existing server, so you'll want to select Join a Server. It's usually highlighted, making it easier to find. Once you select this option, Discord will prompt you to enter an invite link. Now, let's talk about that invite link. An invite link is something you typically receive from friends or community managers, and it's crucial for joining private servers. If you're joining a public server, you might find these links shared on websites or social media platforms. Your invite link should look something like discord.gg/abcdef, and it should direct you to the community you're aiming to join. Enter the invite link into the provided text box on Discord. Be sure to double-check the link for any typos or extra spaces, because even a small mistake could prevent you from joining the correct server. Once you've entered the invite link, you'll see a button labeled Join pop up. Click Join, and if everything is correct, you'll be instantly transported into the server's home, typically the welcome channel. From here, it might be a good idea to take a moment to read any welcome messages or rules so you know what's expected within this community. These could include guidelines on how to interact, additional roles you may need to select, or any other important information. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Discord server. Feel free to explore the different channels, introduce yourself if it's encouraged, and most of all, have fun engaging with the community. If you have any questions or hit any snags along the way, the Discord support page is a great resource for additional help. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy chatting.